be unboxing and reviewing this water science kit Explore and Find.
Yes!
So guys, we bought this online, and if you want one, we're going to be putting the link below. So guys, this is what we got. We have here some crushed granite.
Yes.
Activated carbon.
Ooh, okay. It's like rocks.
Porcelain sand.
Okay. Like circles because they are circles.
And we also have quartz sand.
Quartz sand. It's like white rocks.
Also, there is some saleratus
Saleratus, almost.
and some potassium alum.
Potassium alum. Ooh.
Here we have the stand,
Stand.
like the upper part, or it looks like a funnel.
Or a light.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I think this is where the water will be. And we have some sponge and some filter paper
Ooh, perfect.
and four containers.
Almost like it's like a medium cups.
Let's go!
Yes.
So guys, we have 4 tubes. The first one has a sponge. The second has filter paper. Another one sponge, and then filter paper. For the first one, we're going to be putting some crushed granite.
Ooh. Like
Carefully
rock.
put it, okay, guys?
It is like rocks.
Yep, it does look like a.
Be careful at
I will be. Whoa, I saw some like. Oh my god. It's okay.
some
Accidents happens.
Yes.
Okay. Next, some porcelain sand.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Be careful at
Whoa. It's like beads.
Ooh. I told you to be careful.
I am. It's just so.
So hard.
Come on, go in. It's okay. Next, some activated carbon. Wow, it's black.
Oh yeah.
Like coal.
Maybe it is cold.
Maybe. Come on in.
They're lining up.
There we go. It's getting messy, my gosh. And
last
then
one.
the last one, quarter sand.
Rice.
Easy. Okay. So guys, what we will do is we're going to be stacking them up. First will be the crushed granite, followed by the porcelain sand, and then the activated carbon, and lastly, the quartz sand. Yes.
Like
Okay.
the rice.
And then you're going to, this is where we will be getting some clean water.
Yes.
And this is at the top. It should be looking like this.
Ooh.
Now, to get our fake dirty water, Maggie, we have some clean water
Ooh.
and we have some coloring.
Color.
Orange and purple. Now, Maggie, put some purple here and then mix it.
Okay.
Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Put a as much as you want. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh, later we can put some orange so it can really look like dirty water.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's like a dog pee.
Ew.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's now done.
Mix it or put some orange.
I think I need to put more. I even need to put orange. For it's like a dog pee.
Maggie! Okay. Oh, that big bubble. Pop it! Ooh. It's satisfying, guys. Satisfying. Satisfying. Now, mix it.
Okay.
I'm going to be putting it at the side first. Mix it. Ooh!
It's like juice.
Yes, it does look like
It's
juice.
like purple in here. But when you view, it's like
Here it's like red at the bottom and at the top it's purple.
is it done?
Yes. So here, now we have our fake dirty water.
Okay, so what am I gonna do?
Let's just go, and I want to see how we will be making some pure water. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa. What's happening? Okay, please. Please, I want to see your clean water. Please work, please. Wait, I don't understand. Maybe, guys, maybe if we, like, when it goes out or something, it might... No. Oh my gosh, that's too much. We're gonna... Will that clean later? Guys, I think we did it wrong. I don't know what happened, but we're still getting violet water from the bottom. We should be getting like clean water, clear water. You know what I mean? Guys, take 2. Maybe we put too much ink, but we only have a small filter. So this time, we're going to be putting pepper instead of ink with water. Go, Maggie, put some pepper inside the water and then mix it.
Okay, I will try to not touch it.
Tilt it so you can get some.
Oh my gosh. Don't touch him.
I think it's too spicy, that's why. Maggie, now, I think that's enough now. Now mix it.
Okay.
Mix it very good. Wow, that really does look like dirty water, to be honest.
Disgusting smell.
Yeah, now I get why fish lives on salt water. Just kidding. Now, Maggie, let me put it now. I think that's good now.
Ew.
Ew. Okay. Wait. No way. Nuh-uh, nah. Not. It's working this time. Wow, we see clear water at the bottom. My God, it's working. Oh my gosh! It's working now. Okay, so maybe not talaga, guys, that we put too much ink and pepper works.
But I hate the disgusting smell.
At least it works. Guys, we're getting clear water from dirty pepper water. How cool is that? It's working. Here it's so dirty, and then here it's clean. My God, it's perfect.
Guys.
I'm just so fascinated by this. Amazing. So guys, as you can see, it's working. Dirty water became into clean water. I give this a 10 out of 10 because you can learn while having fun. And also guys, now we know this activity can show us how you can filter dirty water into clean water.
Yes.
How about you, Maggie?
10 out of 10 too, because I got scared because when you now put pepper with water, it turns snow.
So guys, if you love science, this is perfect for you. And if you want to know how to filter water, buy this already. You're like, good! So guys, this is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell button. And if you have comments, put it at the comment section below. Goodbye!
Can we put more of this?
Of course.
Yeah!